right, number 3 is recording account receivables and bad debt expense, but under the allowance method. All right, so for A, they sold $185,000. $100,000 was on account and $85,000 was for cash. So I'm going to get cash of 85. I'm going to have accounts receivable for the 100, and then my sales are going to be for the 185,000. Then I collected 63,820 on account, so I'm getting cash. I'm going to credit accounts receivable for the 63,820. All right, then I wrote off 5280 of accounts. All right, remember when you write off accounts using the allowance method, it's written off against the allowance. So I'm going to debit the allowance for bad debt. And I'm going to credit accounts receivable for the 5280. All right, then somebody came back and paid me after I'd already written off their account. So I need to reinstate their account by reversing this entry, but I reverse it only for the $3,000 that they're going to pay me. So I'm going to debit accounts receivable, credit the allowance, BD is bad debt, for the $3,000, then collect the cash and credit the accounts receivable. Remember, the idea here is to follow GAAP and not have it affect the income statement in any way, and it does not. Actually, it doesn't really affect the totals of any financial statement. All right. And then E, journalize the year-end allowance entry for uncollectible accounts. The adjustment should be $6,000. So this is where I finally get to record bad debt expense, and I credit the allowance for bad debt. For the $6,000.